What's up, y'all? Welcome back. JRE from Jrekml. We're about to check out iKON Tantara MV Performance Version. I don't know why I said it like that. Version. iKON is back. Not under YG this time. If you guys didn't know, they've left YG. But iKON are back with some bangers per usual. Still to this day, iKON, my favorite iKON song is Love Scenario. I feel like it still hits and it has a nostalgic feeling to it as well. But without further ado, let's check out iKON Tantara MV Performance Version. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Alright, captions on. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Ooh, okay. Oh, we skaters. Ooh. So much energy. He always brings the energy. Ooh. Oh, Aki. Damn, so much energy from off the bat. I'm feeling mature. It's perfect for the ride. For you to ride the rhythm. Rhythm to what? It's music. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that little very like West Coast sounding. Oh, let's go, dancers! Hey! 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 Ooh! Whisper! Ooh, we drinking. Ooh. Yeah, I usually try to like follow the choreo, but I can't. Ooh. Hey, Mr. Bruce Lee himself. How's he been up today? Ooh. Get it. 3, 2, 1, baby. Oh, okay. Let's go, iKON. I'm so glad that it's still continuing. Real talk. Hey. Click, bang. Changboo, let's go. You about to get lost today? Ooh. Let's go, Bobo. Hey, hit him up. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Let's go, dance break. Get it. Go, snap. Oh, and we going. Ooh, iKON, we run. iKON, we run, right? Ooh. Damn, that was a lot of energy. That was it? Oh, it's only 250 like ish. It felt short. I wanted more. He started, Bobby. All my party people here, put your hands up in the outside. I need my coke with my rum, feeling way too conscious. Oh, he wanna get tipsy. Okay. You got 99 problems and they all women? Damn, bro. Dang, okay. Ooh, I see the bottle roll on the back over there. Then Jay comes in with his vocals. So good. June! Oh yeah, and they are part of 143 Entertainment, correct? High energy! Bang up! Hey! Hey. Let's go, song. You whisper. Ooh, that's fire. That's fire right there. Hey. DK. Get it, get it. Hey. Hey. Of course, Chan gets his lines in. You already know. Give me some Chan love, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, DK though. Hey, hit him up, hit him up, hit him up. I wonder how many times I did that. Damn, how you gonna do that to Jay? Like, hey, my turn. Ooh, this part's fire. Bro, I was able to see them live at that, I don't know if you guys remember camp. Starting with a K. iKON was lit over there, bro. Run, run! iKON and then we run, run. They do be running, they do be running. Y'all put a comment down below what you guys think of iKON's Tantara. Tantara, what does Tantara mean? Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video and like this video. You hear me? Better see you like it. It's good to see iKON back. I can't wait to see more of them, to be very honest, under the new company 143 Entertainment. Be sure to follow me on Twitch. I'll be live sometime today, probably. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, yeah? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.